Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I talk about how to create your image to PDF converter website using ChatGPT. So if you are new in ChatGPT, first you can create ChatGPT account. Watch my last video and create now. So first I can go to my ChatGPT account and create input now. Create an image, JPG, PNG and more to downloadable PDF website using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. And right now, and you can see ChatGPT write your code, HTML code, CSS and JavaScript code. So you can go to your file structure and create a new file, and in your file folder you can create an image folder and index.html, script.js, style.css. So first you can go to index.html, copy your HTML code and paste now, save now, and go to your CSS code, copy now, paste now, save now, and go to your JavaScript, copy and paste now, save now. And you can see you can also include the JS PDF library on your code. So I can copy this file right now, copy now, and go to my index.html and the links I input now, save now, go to my localhost, paste now, and see image to PDF conversion. So I can select any file, I can see this convert to PDF. I can convert PDF, and you can see your PDF file is downloadable.